So hello friends, this is the fourth video of this PYQ series of JEE Mains 2024, and the today's first question is this reduction reaction is given, and the question is the reaction is known as what is the name of that reaction. So here four options were given. First one is a Rosenmund reaction, Rosenmund reduction. Second one is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Third option is Stephen reaction. Fourth one is Itard reaction. So if you have to solve this question, then you have to know all these four name reaction. Otherwise, you can't solve this question. So in which reaction this reagent is used? Palladium BA as a catalyst in presence of H2, and aryl chloride is converted into benzaldehyde. So this is the Rosenmund reaction. It is the direct reaction which can be identified by this reagent. So what about Wolff-Kishner, Stepan and Itard reaction? So Wolff-Kishner reaction is benzaldehyde is in presence of NPH4 in presence of KOH by heating gives here two hydrogen are added, means this reduction is happen. Here what about Stepan reaction? This is the Wolff-Kishner. Now the Stepan. What is Stepan reaction? Cyano group is attached to benzene is reduced to benzaldehyde by SnCl2 H2 delta, means heat is converted to benzaldehyde. This is the Stepan reaction. And what about Itard? Itard reaction. Toluene in presence of CrO2Cl2 is converted into benzaldehyde. So these are the four name reaction. Among these, in the question, this reaction is given, which is Rosenmund reaction. So now today's second question. Sugar which does not give reddish brown precipitate with failing reagent. We have also studied in previous video what is failing reagent or failing test. Failing test is used for the identification of only aliphatic aldehyde group. So here four sugars were given. First one is sucrose, second one is lactose, third one is glucose, and last one is maltose. So in this question, to solve this question, you should have to know the structure of all these four sucrose. So here direct answer is sucrose has no free aldehyde group, so this is not give failing test. So question is which not give failing test. So sucrose is not give failing test. All in lactose, glucose and maltose has free aldehyde group, therefore it gives a failing test. So that question has a correct answer, first option. So now the third question. Which of the following molecule or bases is most stable? So these four compounds we are given. Among these, which one is more stable? This is depend on aromaticity, non-aromatic and anti-aromatic compound. So here, what is the stability order? First one is the more stable is aromatic compound. Aromatic are more stable than non-aromatic, are more stable than anti-aromatic. So among these, which one is the aromatic? So here for aromatic, what is the condition? First condition is for aromatic compound, first condition is it should be cyclic. Second, it should be planar, that is the every carbon should be sp2 hybridized, which is involving in conjugation. So third one is conjugation, and fourth one is it has a 4n plus 2 pi electron system where n is equal to 0, 1, 2. This is called Huckel rule, HUCKEL, Huckel rule. If compound follows all for these conditions, then it is the aromatic, and for anti-aromatic, all three are same, but last one is it has a 4n pi electron system. So here, in first, how many pi electrons are there? Here every carbon is, so first one is cyclic is there, planar is also there because every carbon is sp2. Conjugation is possible. Now the number of electrons, here 2 electrons means here if I put n is equal to 0, there what will become 2 pi electron. Here 4 pi electron. Here also 2 pi electron will become. This is in third species. This is not a carbanion or carbocation. This is a carbon which is electron deficient species. Therefore, these 2 electrons are not involved in conjugation. So this is not a aromatic. And here this carbon is sp3 hybridizer. So total in full ring conjugation is not possible. So therefore this one is the aromatic, which is the more stable among these all. So now the next question. Here in this question, the question is example of vinylic halides. Vinylic halide. You know what is the what is the structure of vinyl? So this carbon is vinylic and this carbon is allylic. So they asked a vinylic halide means what will be the possibility of that compound? Here X group should be, X means halogenic, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, which will what will be. So this group should be present in that compound, so that group will be vinylic. So here the first option is second one is third one is and last one is. So here this halogen is attached to directly sp2 hybridized carbon atom in the alkene. So this is the vinylic. Here this is attached to sp2, that is this is allylic. This is attached to carbon of benzene ring, so this is the benzylic. This is also not vinylic. Here this one is also attached to allylic. So here correct option is first, which is this is the vinylic halide. So now the next question. The structure of 4-methyl pent 2 in al is, what is the name of the compound? 4-methyl pent, pnt, pent 2 in al. I hope you have already studied all the IUPAC nomenclature rules. Then if you only can solve this question, otherwise you can't solve this question without studying about the rules of IUPAC. So here first the basic point is this pent. Pent means 5 carbons. So here 5 carbons, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there. Now If I numbering from any side, you can numbering from left or right. I am numbering from right side. First, two, second, third, fourth, fifth. So on the first group, methyl group is attached. On the second, alkene is attached, double bond. And here al means aldehyde, so aldehyde is double bond OH. This is, now you can balance by valence of carbon by hydrogen. Here H3, here H will become, here LCH, here LCH. So this will be the structure of that 4-methyl pentoenol, and the correct option was given is last option. This one is the fourth option. I am not writing all the options because you want to know only solve this question, not about what are the options. So direct option is fourth. So next question. एक मिनट. 9 एग्जैक्ट 9. 10 बजे क्लास है. क्या 10 बजे क्लास है. So here the one multi-step reaction is given and we have to find the product A. The question is the final product A formed in the following multi-step reactions is. So what will happen first with magnesium? So here magnesium will be inserted in carbon and bromine bond. Then addition reaction with CO2, that is C double bond O, double bond O. This will nucleophilic attack on that carbon and this bond will open. So what will be the product? C double bond O, O minus, and after hydrolysis benzoic acid is came in the picture. Now after reacting with NH3, what will be a reaction of benzoic acid with ammonia? What will be the product? Amide. Amide will be formed. Then the one of the best name reaction is famous name reaction is, what will be the name reaction? Can you tell me the name of that reaction? This is the Huffman bromamide degradation. Why degradation? Here the one carbon is less, it may reduce to amine with one carbon atom less. This is the final product, aniline. So here second option is that, and therefore the correct option is second. Now the next question. The given question is given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. So here assertion A is CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Cl is an example of allyl halide. This is the example of allyl halide? Allyl halide. Is this correct or not? So this the chlorine atom attached to the allylic carbon. So assertion is correct. So now the reason is that allyl halide are the compound in which the halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Means the reason said that the allyl halide group is attached to that carbon which is sp2 hybridized. Is this carbon is sp2 hybridized? Not. This is the sp3 hybridized. So reason is wrong. So here the statement is correct and reason is wrong. So here the option is first option is correct of that question. So the question is compound A formed in the following reaction reacts with B, gives the product C. Then find out A and B. The given reaction is CH3 C triple bond CH plus sodium gives A, and this A by reacting with B gives CH3 C triple bond C CH2 CH2 CH3 plus byproduct is NaBr. Then we have to find A. So what will be the A? By reacting this alkyne with sodium, what will be the acid base reaction will be happen? This is the acidic proton, this will be taken by sodium, then what will be found? This acidic proton will be replaced by the Na plus. So C minus and Na plus, this will be the A. And by reacting A with B, this product will be formed. So up to this is that much group. We have to connect this group. What is this? CH2, CH2, CH3, and NaBr means bromine is also included. Then what should we have the reagent of B? It should be bromine. Then only this nucleophilic substitution reaction will be happen. This will attack on that, bromine will be leaves out, and final byproduct will be formed as NaBr. So this final product will be formed by leaving out NaBr as a byproduct, and this alkyl sp hybridized carbon atom will attach to that carbon atom. So A is this CH3 C triple bond C minus Na plus, and B is methane ethane propane. Bromopropane. Br CH2 CH2 CH3. So here the option given is first option is correct of that question. Next question is, following is a confirmatory test for the aromatic primary amines. Identify reagent A and B. The reaction given is here NH2 is there. A reagent is used that forms N2 plus Cl minus. By reacting with B in presence of NaOH, it gives scarlet red dye. So you can find out A easily. What will be the A? By reacting amine with Na2 plus HCl. This will give diazoxide salt. So what will be the A? Na2 plus HCl. But B is little much confusing. So in the option there were 4 options were given. One is the phenol, another is the aniline, another one is naphthalene with OH as alpha position, and next one is naphthalene with OH as beta. So here scarlet red dye is given by the reacting this group diazoxide salt with a alcoholic group at benzene. So with that group it not gives. With aniline is also not. And here among these two, OH is at beta position only, can react with this, not alpha position. So here the correct option is D. So what will be the correct option? What will be the final product? Final answer, NaNO2 plus HCl, and also temperature is there -5 degrees Celsius. A is this and B is naphthalene with beta hydroxy naphthalene. So correct option is fourth option is that. So I hope you are understanding well my teaching, and thank you guys. Today is enough. I will continue this series in the next lecture also. Thank you.